Wow, holy cow, we're finally into training. So, originally I have known this as the 7 Pillars of Python project. So, but I'm going to have to buy a new headset. Sorry, it's scratchy. Listen, I don't care where you're working. I don't care if you go and buy a coffee. I don't care if you want to go to the cafeteria. Wherever you want to go, there's 2 things that happen in our world. You have to get data, and you're going to use programming to do work with it. And I have real bad news for you. Everybody does this. Everybody. Every single thing that you are doing, this is what gets done. And it gets put in these simple structures. Data frame, list, string, dictionary. That's in the book by Severance I asked you to go get, and you should have at least read, I think, up to chapter 3 by now. Right? We've had some problems. But then if you're going to use the information, well, you might need a conditional. Whoop! What's a conditional? Conditional could be if then. I might have to iterate. What's iterate? Well, I have to go from top to bottom. Data is put into cells. The old structure was row 1, column 1. You know, row 2, column 1. Row 2, column 1. Right. Well, that's what it was. So, and then you had operators. That's my, dear Aunt Sally, multiplication, division, all right. But we have all this stuff in libraries where you're able to go and get things. And so this is the general structure, what you are supposed to learn for this course. So I try to break this out, but the fact is that this exercise on Shakespeare is to help you take information from a spreadsheet, perform an extract, translate, and load, put it into a data frame, manipulate it with a list, a string, or a dictionary, and use a programming construct to iterate and count the number of words. That's it. It's not really that hard. I feel that many textbooks makes this way too hard. Right? If I give you a book and ask you to go count every single word in the book, you are going to leave this course and realize I need to use an iterator to do that. If I wanted you to add it together, you would use an operator like plus and, then it would give you an outcome and a variable, which was, sorry, I just had a chip, the number of words. And once you do all that stuff, well, you might figure out I need to go make a class object. So what does that mean? Well, you're going to go make your own little doohickey that's going to do this stuff for you the next time you need it. All right? So these are all the tools of the trade. This is your toolbox. I mean, I have collectively about 2,000 tools, hand tools. These are my electronic tools. So we're going to go through the next video, the skill maps that I give you, and I hope you are going to you're going to insert a code block, and you're going to tell me what you see, what happened when we go and look at Shakespeare. That's your job. All right.